Hi guys, I am here with the ultimate glam master.
My name is Argenis Pinal and I am the winner of Glam Masters. We're going to be doing a look using our collaboration product. We have 5 cream eyeshadows. We're going to be using Mujor today and Dramatico.
The show's so good.
Oh my god, it came out incredible.
I really like how it turned out. How did you get into like your
my comic stuff?
Comic stuff, yeah.
So when I was first starting out, and whole Instagram was starting, everybody was just doing beauty. So I'm like, I felt like there was gonna be a lot more competition trying to make myself stand out in beauty. And I'm like, you know what? I love drawing. I love comics. So
yeah, it looks amazing.
I like applying it, like even the blush and contour with these. I feel like it like applies it very soft, you know? Mm-hmm. Like I feel like I'm at the show. Yeah. I'm being timed.
Was it really timed like that?
Yes, it was intense. I better get these lips straight or Mario's gonna chew me a new one. So one of the colors that we're going to be using is Mujor, which stands for Make Up Your Own Rules, and this is a deep burgundy.
I think it's really new for the KKW beauty line since we've never done a cream shadow like this before. I love these. I love anything that's really easy to use. Mm-hmm. Something that I can show the consumer like how easy it could really be.
And one benefit about using cream shadows is there's no fallout. They're very, very blendable too as well. They're also very buildable.
And they're so creamy and smooth.
Mm-hmm. You can apply these with a brush, with your fingers, or directly from the stick. So to blend it out, I used a very small blending brush. And now I'm going out with a stiffer brush, clean, so that I can really extend the product and get that almost secondary color. So I just put it on her lid. Now I'm blending it up into her crease. And it's so matte looking. And I think that I love about it is that, you know, not only is it cream, but it dries out like eyeshadow. So it's very matte, very, very pretty. I like the depth with all the colors. You know, they're gonna be definitely your ultimate to-go smoky eye sticks just because they have so much depth. The intensity of the color is amazing and they're easy to have as a really nice base too. Now I'm going to go in with a stiffer rounded brush to diffuse the color a little bit more. So now I'm going to be using Dramatico, which is going to be underneath her waterline to smoke it out. Dramatico is black, and for that I'm going to use a brush just because we're working on a smaller area. So see, and then using this black, using Dramatico right underneath with a brush, because it's not in a powder form, you don't have to worry about it falling off. So you definitely have a lot of benefits using cream shadows. It was very helpful for me to just look back into the show and think about the colors that I wish I had. Something that could have been really easy would have been a cream shadow, something that can be applied messy and heavily and can be really used artistically. Now I'm finishing up her skin by highlighting her cheekbones, and I'm using KKW Beauty highlighter.
I'm using the medium kit highlighter 2, which is the more pinky tone.
And I think we're done.
Okay guys, I have the ultimate Glam Masters look by Argenis. I'm so excited that we have these new products coming out. They're so versatile. You can use them as eyeshadows to do crazy comic book looks if that's what you want to try.
Yes. And I'll have more videos up on showing you guys how to use these a little bit more creatively. But like she said, they're so versatile and I really love this formulation. It works amazing and they're very easy to blend.